watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about a beach in Australia.
Okay, let's watch.
My name's Ollie. I'm from Australia. I'm at the beach today. There are some trees. I like the sea. Here's the sun. Here are my brother and sister. We can run on the beach. The sand is brown. Oh, look! Is this a sand castle? Yes, it is. I love the beach.
What can you see near your home, Tom? Can you see the sea?
Yes, I can see the sea, and I can see a beach.
I can't see the sea, but I can see some trees and some flowers.
What can you see?